Today, we're diving into a critical component for small and medium-sized enterprises, risk management in the digital era. As SMBs increasingly rely on digital solutions, they encounter unique challenges in it and business operations. Our goal today is to lay out a clear, actionable strategy for identifying, evaluating, and mitigating risks while staying true to business objectives. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the business and risk environment. It's essential to link risk strategy with your organizational goals, whether that's revenue targets, customer retention, or growth aspirations. Recognize that your critical assets range from intellectual property to customer data and infrastructure. You'll see how different industries prioritize these risks differently, with cloud-based companies focusing on data security, while manufacturing firms emphasize supply chain robustness. Different industries have unique compliance needs, like healthcare's adherence to HIPAA or finance's obligation to PCI DSS. Even non-regulated sectors can benefit from frameworks like the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. Step 1. Begin with an asset inventory and threat identification. This means cataloging servers to SaaS apps, understanding your physical equipment, and mapping the access rights of your personnel. Recognize internal issues like outdated software or the risk of ransomware attacks. Categorize these threats using tools such as SWOT analysis. Assessing risks involves placing them into a risk matrix. Understand what's likely and its potential impact. For instance, a financial firm might prioritize payment gateway protection as a top priority concern. Once your risks are mapped, choose the appropriate risk management framework, such as the NIST Cybersecurity Framework or ISO 31000. Let's discuss strategies to mitigate these risks. Technical controls like layered security defenses and robust data management can fortify your digital backbone. But remember, organizational policies are vital. Establish an acceptable use policy, incident response plans, and train your team with regular security exercises. For example, consider the Knife River Corporation, which successfully created its risk program from scratch. By hosting a risk retreat and building a robust risk register, they align insurance policies with operational needs. Or look at a mid-sized healthcare provider that improved its security posture by adopting NIST controls post-ransomware attack, dramatically enhancing compliance and safety. In conclusion, embarking on a risk management journey for your SMB is akin to setting the foundation for lasting success. Start by gathering stakeholders and mapping your critical assets. Embrace an adaptable framework, and foster a culture of proactiveness. With these measures, even resource-constrained businesses can protect themselves and thrive efficiently in an ever-evolving digital landscape.